Welcome to Kids Walk. Hi guys, come inside. These are my friends. The place is dirty. We will clean it. I am feeling hungry. Come. This is my kitchen. Come, let's make milk. Guys, be safe when you're cooking. It's ready. Yummy, smells good. Milk is good for health. You too take every day, guys. Wow, yummy. Very nice, I like it. Let's go and start our work. Let's go, guys, come. First, we will clean the area. It's very messy. Come, let's start. Wow, so much fun! Let's clean it! I like it! Now see the place. How neat and clean! We always put the waste in the dustbin, guys. Now it's time to mop. Let's start, guys. I like it. It's fun. Let's start the mopping. Wow, I love it. So much fun. Oh, look at the place. Wow, very clean. I like it. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.